Well, hello everybody. We got a cute little real fun one. It is the worm tactile fidget. He is fun, he's easy. The only catch to these is if you have a child that chews a lot, the plastic eyes might not be the best idea, and you can actually sew on some eyes if you want. But it's totally up to you. I just don't want to do anything that, say anything that, wasn't the truth. These are adorable, like absolutely adorable. They can be, you can attach them to keychains. They work up like really quickly and they're fun. So the goofy eyes that I got, I just picked up at my local Walmart, and they're googly eyes. They're finger puppets. You can get them probably on Amazon too. They come in white or multicolored and they're really cheap. I think these 8 were $1.99. And I just used my stash again of my 4-ply acrylic yarn. I'm going to show you how to make them. They're like really, really fun. Something for the little ones to play with, right? As you can see, I made a ton of them because they work up in moments. So I am going to grab my pink one, and I'm going to also grab my 4mm crochet hook, my clover, which I love. All right, let's do this quick little video so you can enjoy it. So we're going to start with a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you slip stitch to your first stitch, and in the ring put in 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. After you got your 2 single crochets in, take your eyes. You want them placed on top of your ring. There we go. I keep pulling it out. There we go. And then we're going to crochet right over it. We're going to go in right into the center. And you're going to do as many single crochets as you need. I have found that my count is about 10 to cover this whole U-shape part of the project. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm crocheting over the tail. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That is what works for mine. So then you take your ring that you put on the back and you pull it out a little bit, and then you go back into that ring without going over the plastic, and you put in 2 more single crochets, 1 and 2, and then you slip stitch to your first single crochet. And because I crocheted over this tail, I can just get rid of it. That way it's out of my way. Now, let's chain 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. You count third chain from the hook. In that stitch, put in 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And then you continue going down the chain by putting in 3 double crochets in every single stitch. By doing this is you're overcrowding it, and that's what causes it to twist, which is really cool. So it's 3 double crochets in every single stitch. I'm going to do a couple with you, then I'm going to pause, and I'm going to finish it, and we'll come right back. And one more I'm going to do. So you do all the way up to complete chain of 3 double crochets in every single stitch. You don't skip any. This is a very, very easy, very good beginner-friendly pattern. All right, so I'll meet you at the end. All right, see how it twists? Real nice. And then you just go in the same stitch that you came out of. You do a slip stitch. And then chain 1. Pull. And then you just secure your end. Three times, back and forth. That about guarantees that it will not come loose. So, aren't these guys cute? Look at them all. You can make these in a matter of minutes. And your little ones, or even your big ones, can have a lot of fun with them. But I hope you enjoyed this. I'm Rhonda. Ronnie, I go by, and I work with Maggie and Lauren at Whip and Chain. And here at Whip and Chain, it's always a work in progress. If you could please help us out and hit that subscribe button, help us bring you these beautiful crochet tutorials. Until next time, happy crocheting, everybody. Bye.